If you don't have money, I don't, and then want to have money, one thing that you may want to do is just keep on saying, Brzee, keep on chanting. Listen to the chanting. Do you want proof? Go to the YouTube, go to the Facebook, and look at what people have posted about the efficacy of the song. People have manifested in minutes. You have to put the body, mind, and soul and never doubt. Faith is very important. Faith is everything. If you have faith, you can move mountains. You can even move the mountain. Don't say, I don't have faith. If you say, I don't have faith, you will not have faith. But just saying, I don't have faith, you will not have faith. Then what that means is you elect to suffer. If you don't make money today, it's because you elect to do that. Every morning when you wake up and your soul keeps saying, today I choose not to make money. The soul is saying that. Today I choose not to make money. I choose to be sick. I choose to be confused. There's nothing happens that can be called an accident. There is no accident. You have to fix your consciousness. There was a saint who lived here in Tamil Nadu, where I come from. He lived 2000 years ago. 2000 years ago, this Tamil country was poor. It is poor even today, but not to the degree that it was 2000 years ago, but still relatively poor. And he asked people, he said to people, why are you suffering? Why you don't have money? He said, இலர் பலர் ஆகிய காரணம். Ilar means in Tamil, those who have not. Palar means are many. The have not are many here. For exactly I'm giving you the literal translation of Ilar. Have not. The people who have not are many. Why? Ilar palar ahiya karanam. The reason why there are many people who don't have money. The reason is Norpar Silar Noladar Palar. People who meditate are few. So you have to meditate. Meditate with what? See, Shreem, Brzee. Just carry this image. Carry this image always. And when you carry this image, you will be in touch with this energy. This image was revealed by Agastya. Carry this and have 100% faith in it. The mind is so negative. Just look at your mind. Can the mind think about, say, 1 lakh rupees, which is $1,800 or so? I'm using the Indian currency because I'm talking to people here who are listening here. $1,800 is impossible for these people to think of. No, there is no way I can make this money. Just like in the United States, like $100,000 is impossible for many people. Why? There is a conceptual mind block. No, it's not going to work. But for a billionaire or a millionaire, $100,000 is nothing.